At night, I would get up probably 4 to 5 times during the night to go to the bathroom. And so that would, cause sleep deprivation, and you're always tired.
The difficulty in urination and the frequency really affected me from a social level, because every time I was in a social setting, I was rather embarrassed to ask where the restrooms were. When I was driving to a destination, I would panic because I would have to urinate frequently, and it was extremely difficult, oftentimes, to find a place to do it.
I was on 2 different types of medication, HUBERT and Flomax. I was on those medications for about 6 months, and though they did take care of the symptoms, no medicine comes without side effects. The ones that I remember, there were some sexual performance issues related to the medication.
My job that I do, I'm an undercover police officer, at which times I conduct multiple surveillances on houses, on people. And when you're sitting inside of a vehicle for 8 hours, it makes it really tough when you are having this problem, because you're constantly having to urinate and not being able to leave the location. You're basically having to take care of the business inside of the vehicle that you're in, that I was in. I would have like 5 to 6 bottles that I would have filled over a process of 8 hours.
After the procedure, I was able to really return to normal life. I could go to, say, a sporting event, where before, every hour I had to get up and leave. Well, I could sit there through the whole event. Even at home at night, having to sleep in a different bedroom so I would not disturb my wife. And now I can sleep in the same bedroom with my wife and resume normal relationship with my wife is just tremendous. So this procedure really has given my life back.
I don't have the panic that I had before of, if I do have to urinate, will I be able to, and where can I? I must say that I would recommend this procedure to any gentleman who has an enlarged prostate, because it is really, as far as I'm concerned, life-altering.
After having the procedure done, about 2 weeks after the procedure, I was taking off of all medications. All sexual performance issues at that time went away. And you will think, like, after 2 months, it can't possibly get any better, yet it does. Things go back to where they were, as you were, years prior to this problem.
I really needed to have this procedure done. This procedure, I think, is going to make all the difference to my job, my lifestyle, and just let me live a better life. If you are in the same situation I was in, I highly recommend you have the Prestiva treatment done. It changed my life. It'll change yours.